to ERi-TV English news broadcast. It's exactly 10:30 p.m. Asmara time now, and we're ready for June 30th English news broadcast. I'm Heaven Johans reporting live from our headquarters in Asmara, and let's begin with the major headlines. Training on social sciences for the youth. Monetary support to families of martyrs. In our domestic news, the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the northern Red Sea region has provided training in social sciences to over 100 youth from 8 subzones in the region. The training program was conducted in the city of Ginda. At the closing event of the training on June 25th, Mr. Saleh Ahmed, head of organizational affairs of the union branch, stated that the training was part of the union's program to enhance the vocational capacity of youth. The program covered topics such as nation and nationalism, youth and national service, youth and technology, youth and environmental protection, basic concepts of ideology and politics, as well as religious philosophy, among other subjects. Mr. Suleiman Yusuf, head of political affairs of the union branch, said the objective of the training was to nurture youth equipped with the values of the Eritrean people and the People's Front. Ms. Asmeret Abraha, governor of the region, on her part, called on the trainees to share the knowledge they gained with their peers and expressed the regional administration's readiness to play its part in the effort. Moreover, Mr. Saleh Ahmedin, chairman of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, gave a seminar to participants focusing on the significance of nurturing competent youth. In a related news, theoretical and practical training on computer technology, beauty salon services, dancing, first aid, as well as solar system and electricity line installation was provided to youth in the Dubarwa subzone. The training was organized in collaboration with the union subzone branch and partners. Commending the initiative taken by the union branch to enhance the overall capacity of the youth, Mr. Frawangel Takhlahaimanot, administrator of the subzone, called on the trainees to make proper use of the knowledge they have gained. In another news, the workers' organization in the southern Red Sea region reported that over the past 4.5 years, it has extended support amounting to 1.23 million nakfa to families of martyrs. Mr. Yosef Sahaye, head of the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare branch in the region, stated that the support was distributed to 125 families of martyrs. Similarly, workers of Asab municipality and members of the Eritrean Navy extended support to 73 families of martyrs, while the Asab Taxi Owners Association contributed 10,000 nakfa for the same purpose. In a related news, government workers in Haggaz subzone contributed 102,000 nakfa, and residents of Hashishay administrative area contributed 14,800 nakfa in support of families of martyrs. Additionally, 40,800 nakfa was contributed by government workers in Galab subzone and distributed to families of martyrs. Residents of Mariat and Baghla administrative areas in the Nakfa subzone are carrying out extensive water and soil conservation activities. Mr. Muhammad Ali Saleh, an agricultural expert in the subzone, stated that the campaign, being carried out in collaboration with residents and members of the defense forces, includes construction of terraces, water diversion schemes, and renovation of water catchments, among others. Mr. Muhammad Ali noted that the program has brought visible improvements in controlling soil erosion and restoring agricultural lands. He also called on farmers to conduct regular follow-ups on their farmlands. The residents of the two administrative areas expressed appreciation for the government's support in providing machinery services for plowing their agricultural lands at a fair price. This wraps up our news for this session. Dear viewers, let's have a quick recap of the major headlines. Training on social sciences for the youth. Monetary support to families of martyrs. This was the world on ERi-TV with English news broadcast. Dear viewers, thank you for joining. It's officially a goodbye from us.